The strength of our nation lies in the active and vigilant citizenry. Let me be crystal clear once more. Violating the Constitution is not a game. Those who persist in this path should know that the wheels of justice may turn slowly, but they turn surely. Sarabina mashko brashto kwa pangwa ine na skauke pranka. Consider constitutional amendments or subscribe. Walaika, turn on the bell icon. Tipina pangwa ine anubrajara chiti. No amount of wealthy connections or foreign passports will shield you from the consequences when the people finally reclaim their power. I retired from active service years ago, but my commitment to Zimbabwe remains total. I will continue to speak truth to power, defend the Constitution, and stand with the ordinary men and women who built this country with their bare hands. To the Cap 3 architects and all constitutional delinquents, retrace your steps while you still can. Serve the people, respect the supreme law. History is unforgiving to those who place themselves above it. We are watching. Doma developments are pangwa ine. Arkuya pangwa ine is my warnings. Arkupiwa pangwa ine. Kune all those who are trying to betray the revolution, to all those aruza makupusha their agendas, pangwa ine yanonwa kunzi. Arkuenda against the citizen. Arkuonwa kuti these agendas arikunyashku seva iwo chete. Pangwa ine they are being given my warnings kuti this script panguva ino yakamboitika before and we know it, but the truth shall come. History will repeat itself. Vachazongobudiswa pachena and the day of reckoning will come. All these people will be exposed. Toma developments are kuda panguva ino arotoka nmajanara. Pina comment section medu zofunguro enyu uri kudipa msoro pichiriko ichi. Subscribe or like, wacha turn on the bell icon.